So let's listen to maybe another song. I mean, if no one puts a song, I'm gonna put a song that I really love till today, till today. And yeah, it's gonna be LOONA again. I'm sorry, guys. I mean, they are my OTED group. I mean, I don't consider myself as a multi-stan since I mean, in the beginning, I was kind of a multi-stan because I was figuring out what were actually the groups that I liked. But after I found LOONA, I started to focus more my attention to LOONA and forget about everyone. So I'm sorry for that. So you are gonna work. I mean, this song is amazing. Okay, and I feel it's gonna be like the second time that I'm gonna be talking about LOONA here on lives. So this song is so hyped, it's so amazing. I feel like this part I feel like this part of the live gonna be cut out. Like the sound won't be here because I mean like when the live gets saved on my channel, you can listen. You can't listen some parts of that live because of the um. I'm forgetting about that. Why am I forgetting about that? Oh my god, that's so bad. I forget about everything. I don't know if this because I'm in live or something, but I always forget about everything when I'm in live. But it's because of um the rights. That's it. The music rights and the MV rights you because I'm literally with the MV right here, so that's why it's gonna cut out. But however, let's just get into the song. And this MV is like really simple but really amazing too because it's really aesthetic. I wish I could. If you don't know, I sing. I have some covers on my YouTube channel that is already there. Is it there? There in a there in a shot? There in a shot. I'm sorry, I get kind of confusing already with the camera situation because it's muted. So that's why I'm sorry, guys. So in the chat is already my YouTube channel, so you can go there and listen to my covers. It's like the first link that you see when is like this message about Find Moon's Child. That I think is kind of bad writing because I was doing that right now, so I'm sorry. Let's keep playing this. Keep playing. I was about to playing this, but I forgot that I was about to say another thing. The fact that I am about to do choreographies too because I love dance. I mean, dance is my first talent, my first love before singing, and I'm thinking about doing a new choreography for this song. So, what do you think? Singing in the rain, singing in the rain. all night. 부족한 채로 그리고 지금 내리는 이 노래 Singing in the rain Singing in the rain Singing in the rain Singing in the Singing in the rain. I love listening this song in my headphones. I mean, like, it's literally a party in my brain. I mean, probably this is my favorite solo. Yeah, it's my favorite solo. Signs is literally the song that when you call me is a song that appears. So yeah, if one day you listen this song here on live without we are listening that means someone is calling me. Singing in the rain Singing in the rain Singing in the rain. So, and everyone just left me. But it's okay, I'm gonna listen to LOONA anyways. You know, everyone left me, but let's keep living our lives, right?